Okay, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna do siu mai. What we're gonna have the ingredients. Okay, first we have the wanton skin, the yellow color one. Okay, buy the round one, is easier to shape. Okay, so next we have mushroom, dry mushroom that's soaked in water, warm water, hot water also can. Soak it until it's rehydrated back. Okay, 2 pieces. We have 50 grams of the chestnut, water chestnut, to add a bit of crunchiness to it. Then also we have the boneless chicken leg skin. Okay, the skin is not going to add any nice texture to the siu mai. So later, even when you chop, it's very difficult to chop, to mince it, or even put in a blender. So take out the skin, take out the bone, and here you have the boneless chicken leg. Okay, it's 250 grams. So it's 250 grams of the boneless chicken leg to 125 grams of the prawn mixture, 50 grams of the water chestnut, 2 pieces of the dry mushroom. Maybe you can use fresh mushroom also can, but overall dry mushroom have a better texture. It's more of a chewiness they have, so preferably that. Then you have the wanton skin. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, first we're going to dice the chestnut. Okay, chestnut, if you buy those peel one, it's ready available in cold storage or NTUC. All this in the normally it's in the in the display chiller where they display the vegetable one and herbs. Okay, so you don't want to cut it too small. It's like a Brunoise size. Okay, you don't want to cut it too small because you lose the nice crunch. Okay, those water chestnut that you didn't use finish, you can just store it in the freezer, and want to use and just take out whatever you need and use it again. So we cut the mushroom. Okay, take out the stem. Very important because this is too fibrous, too hard already, so you cannot put it inside it. Okay, so I squeeze dry the mushroom. So now cut into dice, small dice, even smaller if you want. Okay, so you can just do a rough chop on it. Okay, so that's it, voila. Let's transfer into the bowl. This one, you can chop it out, use the chopper, or use the knife to chop it up. Okay, so this point in time, I have a chopper, so I just save time on chopping it. So I have briefly cut the chicken into a smaller piece, so when you chop, the time is easier, it's faster also. So just put in the blender, okay, and blend it. I'll show you the consistency in about 10 seconds. So the main thing is we use the pause first. Okay. So it's very fast. Okay, so now we just do about 5 seconds. You see the meat has already been break down already. So this is not fine enough. We're going to make it into more fine. So at this point, you can use the 125 grams of the prawn. Out of the 125 grams, you can use 60 grams of the prawn and put it inside at this point to blend it together, because you need some part of mince on. So we mince again. Okay. All right. So you can see, let's check the meat. Okay, still need a bit more. Okay, so now I can add a bit of ice, or either ice or cold water in it, because as you blend it, chop it, you generate heat. So add water also give it moisture. Just the side of the chopper, right? Just push down the meat. I'm going to blend for another maybe 10 seconds. Okay, at this point, the minced chicken is ready. See, it's very fine already. Okay, so just transfer up. So halfway through the blending, right, we can add half of the prawn inside to blend together. Okay, so here it is. So after transferring the chicken, we can mix the rest of ingredient, the prawn, the diced water chestnut, and the mushroom. So now we have put every ingredient inside already. So now we're going to do the seasoning, marination. What we need is pepper, sesame oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, a bit of sugar, a bit of cornstarch, and a bit of water, and a bit of oil. It's similar to the har gow, the seasoning. So let's do it. So because we have marinated the prawn previously, so I'm going lighter for the seasoning over here. Pepper. I'll write sesame oil. I'll write the recipe. Okay. Next we add the cornstarch. I'll write the recipe in the video. And so now we're going to mix everything. I'll write the recipe in the video so you can take note of the recipe. So now we're going to mix everything together. At this point in time, I feel that it's a bit dry. I'll add a bit of water, just about a tablespoon. So this one is to give it more moisture, and when you steam it at time, you release the juice and your siu mai will be very juicy. You can add a bit of coriander, also can if you like, which I like, and add another tablespoon of the water. You can add a bit of the coriander if you like, so to enhance the taste. So same method as the har gow. Just keep turning until the mixture has soaked in the marination. Because this one is very fast because the prawn has been marinated previously. So now we have a very nice mixture already. You are ready to wrap the siu mai. Now I'm going to show you how to wrap the siu mai. Take the skin, below skin, make sure you just take one piece. Make sure that keep it wrapped at all times. Okay, your hand, okay, we need a ring like this. Then place the wrapper over your hand and just gently push it down a bit. Then this finger, okay, to block below. I'll show you. Take the mixture, okay, generous amount, put it in, push down, okay. Then now this time your finger gonna work and your thumb you're gonna turn around as you push in, push down. Take more filling, just push down. As you push down, this finger is gonna block the bottom of the siu mai. Okay, just push. Okay, like this. Push down. Use your finger and your thumb to move it around. Okay, push it down like this. Push it down. Okay, show you one more time. Okay, there you have one nice siu mai. Again, open your skin, bring. Okay, bring. Just put on it. Okay, just make a small dent. Take the generous amount of the filling. Put it in the center. Push down. Okay. Then now use your thumb to work. Okay, Then take some more for the filling, push it down. Okay, and now it works. Okay, if it could run off a bit, just tilt it back. Okay, make it even. Okay, take a bit more. Show you. Okay. Just push it down. Okay, so now I have completed making 12 jumbo siu mai. Okay, this easily double the size of the siu mai that you have outside. Okay, this siu mai is very big. Okay, so you can see it's very big. It's bigger than outside, at least 50%. Okay, you can garnish on top with some of the restaurant they use some topico eggs. It's a flying fish roll. Or you can chop some carrots very finely and put it on top. Here I soak some goji berry, or you can call it wolfberry, and just going to garnish on top to give a very nice color. Okay. You can also garnish with any kind of things that you like. You can garnish with prawn, you can garnish with scallop. Some of the restaurant do. If you want to go more atas, you can garnish with the caviar. Okay, perfect. So now this is ready to steam, and because this is a very big siu mai, you easily take between 8 to 10 minutes, and from there we'll see how is it cooked, and we'll come back again. The water of the steamer is about to boil already. So while waiting for it to boil, we're going to prepare the plate with some oil. Or can use the baking paper, you can put on top also can. Okay, just rub it with oil and place the siu mai on it. Okay. So I'll just steam 3. The rest I can just keep it in the freezer or in the chiller. So the water is already boiling. So we'll put inside. We'll come back after 8 minutes to check. Okay, so it's 9 minutes and my siu mai is fully cooked. Okay, so now, okay, look at it, so beautiful. Now I'm going to cut open and show you. It's still a bit hot. Okay, as you can see, it's very nice cooked and it's very juicy. See, all the juice come out. Okay, I give it a taste try. Seasoning is very good. Okay, so this is the siu mai I taught you today. Enjoy.